guys, this is Bhavna Kumar and welcome back to my channel. So we are almost at the end of the lockdown, and even if the lockdown gets over, we have to take proper precautions like wearing masks, washing hands often and using sanitizers when necessary. So about masks, even though we have to wear it every time, what I thought of doing is today I'm going to show you how to make a mask by yourself, and also today I am going to make different masks according to my outfit. Like I have selected few outfits and according to it I'm going to make these masks so that it matches my outfit. You know, in order to be little more stylish or give your outfit a fun element, I thought of why not coordinate my mask with my outfits. So today I'm going to show you how to make a mask and how I made different outfit masks by myself. So let's get into the video. So the first thing I needed was cloth. So what I did, my mom does a lot of stitching stuff, and whatever the remaining clothes she has, she just dumps it into a bag. So I took that bag and I started digging out clothes. I started digging out clothes which is of a proper size or length and breadth of which I can make a mask. So I started taking out clothes and saw whether it would somewhere like this, somewhere like this. So I wanted a cloth which was long enough. So I started digging and I got few clothes, and now I'm gonna start making the mask. So I'm gonna show you by making one mask on how I'm gonna do it. So I'm taking this cloth. I don't know if you guys remember this. I made a tube top out of this. This is actually a pant from which I made a cord set, and this was the tube top, but now I'm going to use this as a mask material.
So here is the size chart. The most used one is the 35 cm into 20 cm, that is length into breadth. You can also use 28 into 16 or 14 into 7 according to the cloth you have. Now here I'm gonna mark the 20 cm and the 35 cm. I'm using a pen, you can use anything. Also I'm gonna mark it nicely and then cut down so I get the proper mask size cloth that we require. Now I'm taking an elastic. I'm gonna measure it till 17 to 18 centimeter. You can take 17 to 18 or you can also take like 16, but mostly go between 17 to 18. Here I took 17.5 because I have small ears. Now I'm going to fold the cloth in upside down direction and fold it into half, and then take my iron and iron it on it so that it stays in that place itself, so while stitching it doesn't mess up or you don't get confused. So I'm going to nicely iron it. Then I'm gonna fold at the top. You can take 1.5 centimeter or you can take randomly any measurement. Here I am randomly taking the measurement because I didn't want to calculate that also, and I'm gonna iron it so that they stay in place. The same thing I'm gonna do for the other side as well, the same length at the top. So I'm ironing it again. I was too scared to use the iron because it's small places to iron. Next thing what I'm gonna do is kind of fold it this way and then iron it on it. The same thing I'm gonna do. If you want, you can also iron it on the other side, it's on you. The next what I'm gonna do is put one more fold. If your cloth is small, you can also go for one fold itself. Since I have a bigger cloth, I am going for two folds. I'm gonna iron it very nicely. next we are gonna open the foldings, and what I'm gonna do is place the end of the elastic up and down, and for it to hold you can use these pins so that it doesn't move from its place. I'm gonna place these elastics on both the sides like this. After placing the elastic, I'm gonna fold the cloth again and start sewing it. I'm using a normal thread and start sewing it. Once you are done, what you have to do is just pull inside out and then just straighten it nicely, iron if you want once again, and that's it, you have your mask.
So our mask is ready. As you see, this is how it looks. And then ta-da! So what I did, I made another one like this one, the black one, like a little smaller than that one. But what I'm gonna do in this is add stones, and the stones I'm gonna use is, I made a video on making a same dress like Kylie Jenner, so I used a specific stones in that, so I'm gonna use those stones here as well. So I'm gonna use the leftover stones, stick on them, and don't worry, these all masks are very breathable. Okay guys, so now I'm going to show you all the masks that I made. I made a red one, but what I did, I had some artificial flowers and I added this to it. Thought it will look pretty in the pictures. That is the reason I added these flowers. I know this looks very clumsy and weird, but in the pictures it's gonna look really nice. The next one, the one we did just now, this is the one, a little doingy one. I thought of covering this elastic with black, but then I thought it's okay anyway, my hair is gonna cover it, so I thought let's just keep it like that. The next one for the saris, I have this one. This is like a silk mask. So the next one is the one I showed you how to do it. The next one is this one. So I made this one. I have a sari of this color. So why not make a mask out of it? So this was actually the blouse piece of the sari. So with the remaining blouse piece, I made a mask. This is the smallest mask I have made out of all of them. Look how cute it is. The next one is a weird one. So I really liked this material, but the problem is I didn't have enough cloth to make a mask. So I made a semi-circle mask out of it. So that's how it goes. So the next one is a very random one I made. This is a very long one, but it is not a filter one. So it goes like. So that's it for the video, guys. I really wanted to show how to make a mask and how to make it a little different and be creative. So what you can do is simply add stones or draw or paint flowers, and trust me, these masks are all breathable. So I hope you guys liked this video. Thank you for watching this video, and make sure you subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, and I'll see you next time.
Yeah,